Hey, what's going on, my friend? It's time to create the mix of my shake that I'm going to be doing for an entire week. I'm going to give my digestive system a chance to just take a break. Okay, of course, health is a very high on my priority list, and so I want to try to do what I know that's in my control to try to live longer. Okay. So here is my formula here that I'll be mixing up for the entire 7 days. I'm also going to incorporate 15,000 steps each day. Okay. Just again, getting the cardio in, getting that heart health, which is very, very important. And so these are the ingredients that I'll be putting into my juice. And here it goes. So first thing I want to start out with some green veggies. Here I have a spinach and kale mix. So I'm using a NutriBullet here. So you see the NutriBullet, you can see the scale of it. And so this is what I use first. I start with my green veggies. So this, again, a kale and spinach mix. So I want this to be like half of what the juice is. Okay. So I'm gonna add this to it. And notice too, I always freeze my vegetables. So, sometimes you can buy veggies and you don't want them to spoil. So what I do, I buy them in bulk and I freeze them. So that way they don't spoil quickly, okay? Next thing I'm going to put in is bananas. Okay, here are my bananas here. Okay, and I do freeze these because it gives it a nice chill when I'm drinking it. Oh, it's cool and refreshing and it's filling, okay? So I put my bananas in. That's the next ingredient. Next ingredient is my cucumbers. Cucumbers, hydration, very, very, very. Okay, so I put my cucumbers in there. Stack it in there. Alrighty. Then I have my pineapples. Pineapples, loving that. Give it a nice flavor too. All right. Okay, so I got that in there. So next I want to come with my blueberries. Load up on the blueberries. Love my berries. Okay. Let's see if I can get this in a little faster. So I'm going to put those in there. Now as I arrange it, you can see I put them in a certain way because my blueberries are smaller, so they're going to kind of fall through the cracks. That's how I like it. So. Got that done up. And what I'll do early on, I'll just create these little packages, bag them up. So this way I won't have to just do this every single time. So I have my little baggies already set up in the freezer with all my ingredients already in there. And then that way I'm on the go. I just dump in my NutriBullet, boom, boom, go, go, go. So next I got my walnuts. Walnuts here. All right, put a couple of those. And then I have cranberries. Cranberries in there. A couple of those in there. All righty. Okay. Then I'm going to come with ginger. Nice ginger. I love ginger. Very good for the health. So getting a little ginger in there. And then I have my flaxseed. Flaxseed, very, very good. So I have about, tablespoonful, and I just dump that on there like that. Okay. And then I have coconut. Coconut. Sprinkle that on there like that, like so. And then that should be all as far as ingredients go. Next ingredient is my spring water. And on the NutriBullet, this container has like a level that you fill the water to. And here you'll see max level. You see the little line right here, max level. That's what I'm going to fill my spring water up to that, okay? So let's fill. Oh, that's looking good, guys, looking good. And again, I'm going to drink 1 to 2. A lot of times I get away with 1 because I intermittent fast. So it's like later in the day before I even get to this. and I'm not hungry because I'm giving my body what it really needs. So, you know, I just kind of might do one. If I'm just very, very hungry, I might do another one. But one is pretty sufficient for me, okay? So again, I'm going to do 7 days. I haven't done 7 days before, but I'm going to do it now. I'm starting out. Today is Monday. And once I get that all in there, screw that on tight, and I go over to my NutriBullet, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back, and as you can see, the consistency, it's almost like milkshake. I don't get it like watery because it, when it's like this, it makes you feel fuller, and you can kind of savor it. Okay, it's pretty doggone good. Fruits and vegetables. Okay, but that's how I make up my juice there, and add my straw. And bon appetit. Here's to your good living. Let's eat to live.